who has been conferred with the UN Population Award 2020. Both A and B. New species of mushroom that emits bright light in dark was founded in which state? Meghalaya. NABARD sanctioned 74.31 crore rupees to which state under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund? Meghalaya. What is the theme of the National Pharmacy Week 2020? Pharmacist, frontline health professionals. NASA and ESA launched Sentinel-6 Michael Brilliant satellite by which launcher vehicle? Falcon 9 rocket. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Unnatogodhan Prakalpa scheme? Tripura. Second edition of SITEMAC 20 naval exercise was held between which country? India, Thailand and Singapore. Which state government promulgated an ordinance to ban the online games? Tamil Nadu. Who has won MICO FMSCI National Karting Championship Award? Surya Varathan. Which organization has been honored with Love Task Award? Seva International. Who has been conferred with International Vatayan Literary Award 2020? Manoj Muntashir. Who will inaugurate 80th All India Presiding Officers Conference? Ramnath Kovind. Which country topped in EIU's Worldwide Cost of Living Index? All of the above. India's first cow hospital has been inaugurated in which state? Assam. DRDO tested heavyweight torpedo. What is the name of HWT? Varunashtra.